Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the key prerequisites: car off, parking brake set, and accessories off. Once done, locate the OBDROMAN 2 port or 12V accessory socket. That's where you'll attach the memory saver. Plug the memory saver into its adapter, then connect to the vehicle port firmly. Make sure the snug connection prevents intermittent contact. You do this now because a steady low-voltage feed maintains ECU and radio memory during battery removal. Keep gloves on and avoid touching battery terminals yet. You'll next remove the battery while the memory saver maintains settings. First, confirm the memory saver shows power, then loosen the negative cable and remove it. This prevents shorting. Next, loosen the positive cable and remove it. Once both cables are free, unfasten hold-down clamps and lift the battery straight up. Tilting can spill acid. Place the battery on an insulated, non-metallic surface. If you plan to jump start or replace, clean terminals and tray before reinstalling. Make sure to keep the memory saver connected until the new battery is clamped. You finish by installing the replacement battery and restoring connections. Position the battery, secure hold-downs, then attach the positive cable first and tighten, followed by the negative. This order prevents sparks. Once clamps are snug, confirm the memory saver still shows power, only then remove it last to preserve settings. Start the car and check radios, clocks, and learned functions. If a warning light or lost settings appear, stop, reset terminals, check related fuses, and consult the radio code or vehicle manual before reattempting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.